What did you do?
What do you mean, what did I do?
There is a hole outside.
Well, yeah, you know that problem that we had with the door?
Yeah.
Well, I fixed it, but I had to poke. Well, I put a hole in the trailer.
Yeah, I saw that.
And not just one hole, but 8 holes.
8 holes? Are you kidding me?
So for every problem, you have to have a solution. And what we have noticed over the last 4 years is we're having a problem with our front door. And it's a super easy fix and definitely would be considered a first world problem. When we got our trailer, it has these pistons underneath the door right here that don't allow the door to push all the way open. It stops it right there, and it's also supposed to keep the door from slamming shut. Well, after 4 years, that piston no longer operates effectively or efficiently. It doesn't operate the way it's supposed to. Now, when we had our MORryde solid steps put in the back, they installed a door latch system back there because they had to remove the piston to get the steps in, and the door at this angle won't allow the steps to operate properly in the back. So they went ahead and put those in the back, and that is what we're doing today here in the front. We're going to install entry door holders right here on the front door, so stick around. All right, so the first step before we install the new hardware is we got to take this piston off. So let's get that thing off. Okay, so I got the angle right. I know exactly where it's going to hook into the door. And I'm down here somewhere. And marked where I'm going to drill those holes. So now we're going to poke 4 more holes in the trailer. Still gives me the willies to drill holes in the side of the trailer, but let's get this done. Okay, so not the biggest fan of poking holes in the trailer, but that is a super easy fix and a good solution to the problem that we're having. Now both doors can be locked in place. We don't have to worry about the wind slamming doors or whatnot. It looks good in that white right there on the trailer and on the door there. And so super happy with how easy that was. I mean, come on, it was just 4 screws. Anyway, if you like the way that I use the screwdriver, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you like little projects like this, go ahead and share it with a friend. If you like seeing people punch holes in their trailer, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
All right. So he poked 8 holes in the trailer, but I love it because I've been waiting for this door to be able to open all the way up and not just stop at a 90-degree angle. So thank you.
Ding!